Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this review we're going to take a look at the EASTOAK electric smoker right here. The EASTOAK smoker, we've had it for a while now and have smoked quite a few different things in it, and it performs flawlessly. The meat probe temperature probe works really great. The latching and the system, I got to clean this out. We just did some hams in it, but the seals are all real good after quite a few smokes. The drip trays and everything work great. The chip holder can be removed while it's running. I have run a double chip smoke before. The latching mechanism works really great. It does have wheels, and you are able to roll it around a little bit. The wheels are small, so it won't go over like off-road or anything. It won't go off pavement. It's also light enough where you can just lift it up. Has a remote. If you're getting into smoking, an electric smoker has a lot of advantages. It uses very little electricity. It's very efficient. You don't have to check it as often in a lot of cases. Again, it really depends on what you're smoking. But the display works great. Just wanted to do a little shout out to the EASTOAK smoker. It is really a nice smoker, looks very attractive, and it's just been a pleasure to have as part of our cooking arsenal.